Hi, it's Hope from Cedar Hollow Gardens, and I wanted to show you what else I did at the garden club today. Today, I bought some things because the garden club, apparently on a time when I wasn't visiting, pressed flower cards. Isn't that beautiful? This looks like it's some kind of a dandelion, actually, and clover. And then there are ginkgo leaves in it, and here where I live, right in front of our library, there is an actual ginkgo tree. So I thought that one was pretty. And then this one looks like some kind of violets, and you know how I feel about purple. And that someone made these, I thought was lovely. And then this one looks like forget-me-nots. And I'm not quite sure what the other flowers might be, but I absolutely adore forget-me-nots. And I keep forgetting to order them. I don't know if they come in seeds or not. If you guys know, please let me know, and let me know where I can buy seeds, or have my husband buy seeds, because I'm not allowed, because I never ordered just one pack. So then I would like to create some kind of fairy garden with my daughter, and one of the members made this cute little bird bath for a fairy garden. I don't know if you guys can see in there. I'm trying to get it in frame and shadow so you can see there's a little pearl in there. And I thought that would be adorable in a fairy garden because I'm starting fresh. So this will be the centerpiece around which we fix our fairy garden. And then I happened to notice these vintage labels. And you guys have seen the journal that Alicia from Just Living Crafty Style made for me. So I thought these would be a good fit for that particular journal. And there's quite a few of them. And this book says it was copyrighted in, I want to say 1988. So these technically are really vintage. If this is 2019, what's that, 21 years? So 4 more years, technically they're vintage. And this one is 1992. And these are Victorian gift labels, it says. And I just love that romanticized feel. I think it fits in with the style of the journal she made for me to put together. So this kind of inspires me. I can't wait to use this one. I'm not going to use it as a gift label. I'm going to use them more as tags on my pages with messages of blessings and encouragement. I think that is how I'm going to use them in the journal. I'm going to put the calendars either at the top or the bottom of the page, and one of these on each page to go with, because I have 16 calendar pages she made for me, and then I have, I don't know how many of these, I didn't count. I just thought, and I got them for a steal, you guys. Look at that, 50 cents each. See, Penelope, I'm listening. You can get a haul anywhere if you're careful and watching and paying attention. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quickie, crafty style video, because you guys know I'm not super crafty, but I'm trying to learn. So please like, share, subscribe. You guys know the SOP. And maybe you'll get to see some flower pressings from my own garden go into that journal too. So, again, I say to you, I want to wish all of you a happy gardening season, but most importantly, blessings of bounty to you and yours. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.